Well, we got the wheel off the bike. The wheel with the broken spoke. The rotor off. Pulley off. Now we can see up in there. I painted it red so it's easier to see. But yeah, she's broken. Right where the elbow goes through the hub. See that hole? That hole there is just for like a hubcap mounting thing. But that hole right there is where the spoke's supposed to go through. And she's broke off. So chrome's not in the best of shape on this wheel. It's not too bad. You know, she's not too bad of a wheel. You know, it's not like she's bent. Just needs that spoke replaced. You know, she's a little dirty, crusty. Some of the chrome's got some pitting, a couple spots. But, you know, it's a good solid spare wheel. Who knows, maybe we'll have it powder coated. It's got a black hub. We'll put powder coated black. Save it for a spare, or maybe we'll mount it to the sidecar and have a nice, good new wheel. Who knows what the future will hold? Say goodnight.